Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to make Dhal soup. So it's red split lentil soup. Very popular, very simple, quite easy, quick to do. What we're going to need, about 5 spoons of pre-cooked dal. Sorry, I didn't put there, it should be tablespoons, not teaspoons of pre-cooked dal. About 1/4 of a pint of water, maybe slightly less. 1 sliced lemon, a pinch of salt, and that's it. That's all you need. It's a very simple starter, a vegan starter as well. So guys, don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, ask me anything you want, any requests. Also, any pre-cooked stuff like the dal will be in the description below. Okay, so just to start with, it's slightly different from a taka dal. It's a lot more simple. It's more of a starter, a little bit more simple. So there's my pre-cooked dal. There's about 5 tablespoons there. That's going to go straight in. It's going to go straight in. Then we've got our water here. Water depends how thick you want it. So I'm just going to put roughly about a 1/4 of a pint. Maybe slightly less. The more water, the more runny it is, the more dal you put in, the thicker it gets. So it's kind of down to personal preference, really. Right. We're just going to let that heat up. It's a starter. It's a very simple starter. So there's no ghee in it, unlike the taka dal, so it's very vegan friendly. So where it's a soup, you don't want it too thick. You want it more runny. So you just got a pinch of salt there. So it's starting to bubble up. Yeah, I think that's about right for a soup. So then I've got the dish here. Just got a cut slice of lemon. We just put a slice of lemon to give it a bit more flavour. So it's already cut, and we just put it in there. And then that just goes on top. It's a very simple flavoured starter. And there you have it, a dal soup.